Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, welcome. My name is Kayla. For today's video, I will be showing you guys how I laid down the front and back of my 360 lace front wigs. There is a lot of videos on YouTube showing you guys how to lay the front but never really the back. So I'm here to show you guys today how easy it is just to lay down the back of your 360 lace front wig with absolutely no products, nothing at all, just your hands. So let's jump right into it. So the hair is from Mslynn HAIR. Now I did get this wig in a 22 inch. It is a deep wave texture and a 360 lace frontal wig. The wig itself does come with combs on the inside and also an elastic band in the back. That way you can adjust your wig to however tight or loose you want it to be. Now the first thing that I'm doing is just trying on my wig to making sure that it's fitting right onto my head. And as you guys can see, it is a perfect fit. This hairline though, we definitely got to do something with it because it is just looking so wiggy right now. We got to fix that. So whenever I cut in my lace, I try to cut as close as I can to the hairline itself. I really don't like leaving that much lace on my wigs. For some reason, it just helps with melting the lace a lot better and it just looks more natural. So even with the back of the 360 itself, you want to make sure that whenever you're cutting off the lace, you do not leave any lace there. You want to get as close as you can to the hairline. Now moving on to plucking, and oh my gosh, I do not know where to start because there was a lot of plucking going on. I'm gonna just say that I had to pluck this hair a whole lot, which I did not sit well with me because I don't like extra work, and this wig definitely requires some work because she does not come customized, no knots or bleach, nothing. And I highly recommend bleaching the knots on this unit. I actually did the foundation method after I was finished plucking it, but I still feel like had I bleached the knots, it would have just looked so much more natural. So the lace itself that they use on this specific wig, it's just the knots are so visible that you actually need to bleach it. So I definitely recommend bleaching the knots if you want a really natural install with this wig. Now I'm just taking some foundation and adding that to the lace. This helps with just blending the lace with your skin tone, especially because I did not bleach my knots. So the foundation helps. But with this wig specifically, I highly recommend bleaching your knots. And then to lay down my wig, I'm just using the Got To Be Blast and Freeze spray, and I'm just gonna lay her down. After laying down the front of my unit, I did go ahead and add some baby hairs, which I don't know why, you guys, the baby hairs was just not trying to cooperate. They was just not trying to act right, lay right, nothing. They was just doing their own thing. So first, after cutting them, I did lay them down with some gel. Did not like how that looked at all. Even the piece there in the center, I did remove it. After laying them down with the gel, I did go ahead and wipe it off, and then I took my flat iron and did the curling method, and I like that a lot better. It did look really fluffy and nice. It just looked natural after that. So yeah, baby hair was a hot mess too, honestly, you guys, but the wig did turn out looking bomb. Although I'm complaining, it took me a while to get it right. And then now I'm just putting up my hair into a bun. And as far as the back of the frontal, you guys, literally all you have to do, so I'm doing a messy bun, but all I did to make this 360 blend in with my hair in the back was I just pulled out some hair around the edges of the wig, so Exactly where you cut the lace off from the back of the unit is where you're going to be playing in. So you're going to try to like blend the hair with your natural hair, but you're also like mainly trying to like only pull out the short pieces of the hair from the wig. The back of your wig definitely have like these little short pieces always hanging around the edges, so that's what you want to like play in and pull out and just like kind of make it blend with your actual hair. And yeah, this is how it looks once I'm done, you guys. This is pretty much it. Now I'm just taking back down the hair to show you guys how the hair looks in its natural state. I did not even add any products to this hair, and look how gorgeous it looks. And I'm so loving how jet black that this hair is. Although on the package it does say that it's a natural black, to me this look extremely black, so I don't know. You guys, so this is the hair now that I'm finished with installing it. This hair is super gorgeous, you guys. I love this curl pattern. It gives me like a really natural look, so I'm really liking that. The hair itself on this unit is really soft and nice. I can literally run my fingers through it. I'm not getting any shedding so far. Also no tangling. The only thing I didn't like with this unit, like the hair is perfect overall, but I just feel like the frontal did definitely take me a while to like customize, pluck, and do all of that. So this frontal does not come customized for you, does not come plucked, none of that. You literally have to go in and pluck this frontal yourself. That is the only thing that I like. I felt like I was never gonna end plucking, you know, so I kept having to, you know, pluck, go back, pluck some more. It just like was a lot for me, I would say. This 360 wig definitely fit in my head perfectly. Now the cap size that I got is an average cap size, and it did go ear to ear. Like it wasn't short on the ear tabs or nothing like that, so I really like that. But yeah, this is pretty much the hair, you guys. The hair is gorgeous. Again, you can definitely wear this hair up into a bun like I showed you guys. And yeah, as far as the whole situation with the frontal and stuff like that, I don't have any other complaints with this hair. Again, there's no shedding, no tangling. Also, there is definitely no stench to it. So this is the hair in its natural state. I really didn't add any products at all to the wig. I only added some water right here just to like kink it back up a little. But besides that, this is the hair in its full natural state. Although I'm not like too crazy about the install, I still feel like I could have done a better job at installing it. I don't know, maybe it's just me. What do you guys think? But yeah, I still feel like it looks decent. Yeah, this is the wig. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this hair. Have you guys tried a 360 wig? If you have not, you definitely need to try one, especially if you want like just that natural look, like pin your hair up into a bun. So yeah, this is pretty much the wig. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think about this hair, how you guys feeling it and all of that. And yeah, if you're not subscribed already to my channel, definitely hit that subscribe button so you would not miss any of my uploads, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye.